Alright guys, we gotta go to the shop. We have a flat tire. Be back, boys. Make sure I don't fall down. It's slippery here. Really. But anyway. Oh, gotta be careful here. Icy, icy. Alright. But we got a flat on our trailer. I just got off the phone. They do have a shop, but they also told me there's a 3-hour wait. That one right there. So we're gonna go in and see. He said we gotta check in. Kinda wish I could have used my phone to do this. That load that I'm picking up is gonna be at least 43,000. So if I don't fix the tire, it's gonna be flat by the time they load me. We're gonna go in. Where's shop? There it is. There's shop right there. I'm frozen now.
It's alright. What you got going on?
I got a flat on my trailer.
Okay, just to let you know, we got a good couple hours wait going on.
I already got him saying that on the phone. 3 hours, he said.
Yeah. And what's your company name?
Marquardt Skyway.
You said Mark?
Marquardt, M-A-R-Q-U-A-R-D-T, Skyway.
And where is that out of?
Yankton, South Dakota.
Your truck number?
It's 615.
Is it on truck or trailer?
Trailer.
What's your trailer number?
63194.
63194. And your name?
Larry.
And your phone number?
30.
And what's the tire position?
Outside, last axle, passenger side.
And are you thinking that it can be repaired?
Nope,
okay.
New tire.
Are we getting a hold of you or your company for payment?
Company, it's their trailer.
Okay.
Correct. I know you didn't know that.
Do you happen to have a phone number for them?
I didn't bring my phone with me.
No, you're fine. No big deal. I can always look it up.
Oh, no, I can bring it back. When I come back in, I can give it to you. That's no problem. Okay. You'll be calling Mike, so...
Alright, I'll get this done up here and then I'll give you a call when I'm ready for you.
Alright.
Close your door, hun.
Alright. She was telling me there were drivers waiting since yesterday to get inside their shop. And I have a flat on my trailer. And it's not like I can really go anywhere else to get this fixed. So I'm just waiting. It's 8:28 right now. She says in 3 hours. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have to see if 11, and that's giving them a little extra because it took me a minute to walk here. All I want to do is get a trailer tire, get it put on, and get out of here. Because not only that, but I got to go wash my wagon out too. I hate to get inside that blue beacon line and then they call me, right? I could probably go in there and just take a gamble that I can get my trailer washed out before they call me, but it would be my luck. They would call me. Then I'm stuck in that line. Then I have to tell them I'm stuck. I can't get out of this blue beacon line. Then they'll put me at the bottom of the list again. I forgot what time I told you guys. I went into the shop, but it's 5:49 p.m. Central Time now. They just called me for the dock, for the to get my tire fixed. So, what? I've been here all day. All right, we're gonna go finally get into that. I've been here all day long since this morning. Just now got the phone call. All right, 7:09 now. We gotta go get our trailer washed out. Then we're headed. Is waiting for this guy to kind of I'm still not logging anything just yet. Come on, truck. Whoa. My brakes are grabby, man. There ain't gonna be much of a video today, guys, except for trying to get a tire fixed and a little bit of rolling tonight, but that's all. It's gonna be a short video tonight. I hope you guys don't mind. It happens. Well, he just pulled out of here. Taking their time opening up the door. Come on, people. Turn. I guess it's a right turn. Oops. Well, we didn't cut nobody off. But anyway, we got to go to Love's now. We got to get some fuel. Then we're headed to Denison. And normally I drop my wagon off and let them load and I go do other things. But being I'm not going to get there till it's late, if they could put me right into a door, that I'm just going to stay hooked up back into, get loaded, because I got to roll some tonight. I have to roll some tonight. Because of that Flying J, the Boss Brothers, or whatever the hell you call that shop, they gave me an extremely long day.
100 feet, turn left on Hubble Avenue, US 6.2 miles, take US 6 Hickman Road Adele, and then turn right in 0.3 miles.
Oh, my brakes are so grabby, man. Not my truck brakes, my trailer. Just grabby.
In a quarter mile, turn right on Hickman Road, US 6.
As soon as I get my fuel, I'm gonna hammer down to Denison. That's for sure. I feel good right now. I'm wide awake, no problems, but I know later it gets, the harder it's gonna be to drive, I guarantee it.
In 900 feet, turn left on Hickman Road, and then turn left in 250 feet.
Try to keep my window clean for you. I didn't even notice there was a little I gotta turn on my defrosters. Little foggy. This is a rough road too. You can tell this is a truck stop roadway.
Approach destination in 300 feet on the right side. You have arrived at your destination on the right side. Love's travel stop number 411.
This actually dead ends at the truck stop. So I think it's a private drive. Yeah, I think it's their drive. That truck is parked in the wrong place. He's gonna get his nose taken off, and this guy's gonna get hurt. He's wearing all black. But they don't have them all combed off. This one's not. Okay. I thought they had them all combed off. We just need truck fuel and reefer fuel. I'm gonna leave you guys in here because it's kind of cool out there and I just want to get it done and go, right? I don't have to go inside, so be right back.